how to change app icon colors on iOS 18. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. In order to change app icon colors, make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version, that is iOS 18 as of November 2024, as this feature is available on iPhones with iOS 18 and above only. To check, launch the Settings application on your device and tap on General, and then on Software Update. Now go back to your home screen and tap Hold on your home screen, and further tap on the Edit button on the top left of your screen. In the pop-up that appears, tap on the Customize option. You will see various options on the bottom of your screen. Now, regarding the app colors, simply go ahead and select the option that suits your preferences the best. You can choose if you want light icons, dark icons, automatically change the icon colors, or get tinted app icon color. You can select from a wide range of options for you as your icon colors. So, this is how you can change app icon colors on iOS 18. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.